In the enchanted forest of Everwood, there lived a unicorn named Stardust. With a shimmering coat of iridescent hues and a horn that sparkled like 1,000 stars, he was a sight to behold. However, Stardust harbored a secret. He possessed a unique ability that set him apart from other unicorns. Each morning, when he awoke from his slumber under the moonlit canopy, he transformed into a majestic robot with gleaming metal armor and eyes that glowed with electric blue light. At first, Stardust was bewildered by his transformation, but he soon realized the potential it held. With his newfound robotic form, he could traverse the forest with unparalleled speed and strength, protecting its inhabitants from danger. One day, as darkness threatened to engulf Everwood, Stardust's robotic form proved invaluable. He battled sinister creatures that lurked in the shadows, using his razor-sharp claws and powerful blasts of energy to fend them off. As the sun rose once more, Stardust reverted to his unicorn form, his metallic exterior fading away like mist. But the memory of his heroic deeds lingered in the hearts of the forest creatures, who hailed him as their guardian. From then on, Stardust embraced his dual nature, knowing that whether he was a unicorn or a robot, his courage and determination would always shine bright in the face of adversity. And as he galloped through the forest, his horn aglow with magic, he knew that he was destined for greatness.